A common action in many programming languages is to combine two arrays. And in PHP, we have the array merge function that has always been used to accomplish that. However, PHP 7.4 introduces a more efficient, flexible way to combine arrays, the spread operator, or three dots preceding the variable array. From the RFC, spread operator should have better performance than array merge. That's not only because the spread operator is a language structure while array merge is a function, but also because compile time optimization can be performant for constant arrays. Not to mention, the spread operator supports any traversable object instead of just arrays. Let's take a look at an example. We have an array here called primary colors that includes red, green, and blue. And then we have an array called more colors that has purple, orange, and yellow. If we wanted to add primary colors to more colors, we can now use the spread operator. So we'll add our comma, our three dot notation for the spread operator, and you can see that PHP Storm populates anything that can use the spread operator. So I'm going to use primary colors here. And then let's go ahead and print our results. So you could see with our results that we have the more colors entries, purple, orange, and yellow, and then all of the contents of primary colors. If we reset our code, you can also see that we can stack the spread operator. So I'll create a new array called all colors, and then I'll use the spread operator twice. I'll add primary colors, more colors, and then two new entries, black and white. And then if we print all colors, we now have a bigger array that includes the primary colors, more colors, and our two entries. But there are two more uses for the spread operator with arrays that are really nice. The first is that we can use it directly with a function. So I'm going to add a new function here. I'll call it function grays. And then I'll return an array that has some shades of gray. Light gray, dark gray, and regular gray. If we go back to all colors now, we can use the spread operator to add the grays function. And then again, if we print those results, and run our code, the grays have been added directly from the function. Finally, we can use a generator function as well. So if we wanted to iterate through something and automatically add that to an array with the spread operator, we could. Let's add one more function here called hex colors. And then we'll write a quick for loop. For I gets 0, I is less than or equal to 9, I plus plus. Inside our for loop, we'll use the yield keyword, and then we'll add 5 zeros. So our hex colors will essentially be from black to slightly less black. We'll add I to the end of this, and then we'll go to our all colors array and use the spread operator one more time for the hex colors function. We'll save this, and then we'll run our code. And now on top of our text colors, we have some hex colors at the end of it. The only thing that we can't use the spread operator for is unpacking arrays passed by reference. So if I add the ampersand sign to the beginning of primary colors, you'll see that we're going to get an error saying it's not possible to unpack array argument by reference. The addition of the spread operator to combine arrays gives us a nice, flexible, and performant way to combine arrays. It should make your code a lot faster.